does not include an SD card. This one
Okay.
does not include an SD card either.
Okay.
So if you're interested in this, you can't upgrade the memory. This
see.
you can.
Okay. What is the difference between these two?
So again, it's the SD card.
Uh-huh.
You can upgrade this to a 1 terabit.
Okay.
This is only going to be a 128.
I see.
And then this one, you can get the phone with a 128 or 512 to start.
So this is just regular. This is Galaxy Note 20. This is Galaxy Note 20, and then the other one is Ultra.
This is the Ultra. This is the Ultra, and this is just the regular Note 20.
Okay. So can you tell us a little bit about its technicalities on the technical specs?
Sure. So again, it's 120 refresh rate for both of them.
Okay.
The latency in the pen is, I believe it's 3 seconds instead of 9.
All right.
This one has a 4,500 milliampere battery. This one I believe is 4,000. Don't quote me on that one. They both should last you an entire day. The only reason why they're going to be about the same because it's a little larger. The screen is larger
On the Ultra.
on the Ultra, correct?
This is the Ultra, and then this is the regular.
Yes. Also, you have a different bezel. So the bezel at the top is flat. This one's rounded.
Oh, I see. Tiny differences, huh?
Correct.
How about the cameras?
The cameras, so the cameras are going to be about the same. As you can see in the back here, you have 5 cameras here, and then you have 4 on this one.
I see. So what does more cameras do then? I mean, what's the purpose?
So one will do panoramic view, one will do ultra wide lens,
I see.
medium lens, and then your basic one.
Got it.
This one has, I believe, night mode to it, so it'll give you a little bit more of a crisper
Crisper and
picture
high.
at nighttime than one that I think this one doesn't have it since it only has 4 lenses. Yes.
So
They both have single take.
okay.
This has single take as well, so that means you can take up to 14 pictures at one time as you're recording whatever you're taking a picture of, and then you can select what pictures you do not want out of the 14.
And how do you compare the camera performance with iPhone or anything like that?
I can't compare them. I don't really know too much about the iPhones.
All right. So, but they by themselves, I mean, this is basically the
I mean, I know they're competitive. I can't give you the specs between the two. I don't really know the iPhones very well.
perfect. So no, these are definitely awesome phones. So we'll check it out more.